Hi guys, so I'm at Burlington, coming to pick up some few items here. Really nice lotion that I want to show you guys. So let's get to it, okay? So you guys, this is the Tea Tree Purifying Tea Tree Shower Gel from from Burlington. This is actually $6.99. So that's how they look. They also have, and this is from the brand, the Spotty right there. Okay, and this is the True Radiant, and this is the Moisturizing Hemp Seeds Body Wash, fresh and smooth, cleans and hydrates and refresh. Whatever that word is, eucalyptus mint. So you guys, look how that looks inside. Yes, and this one is $6.99. That's this is really good. It says cleans, hydrate, and refresh. Okay, hemp seed, fresh and smooth. Oh wow. They also have this hemp oil 3-in-1 body wash with hemp oil, essential oil, aloe extract. They have that as well. And this is $6.99 as well. They also have the body wash excellence. This is by Natural Spa, by the way. This is body wash, smoothing body wash here. So this is apricot ginger, also $6.99. So they really have good products here. I already showed you this one as well as this one. And this is the hemp and castor oil shampoo. And this is $4.99, you guys. Yeah. So this is a shampoo. So they also have, what is this? It's like exfoliated scrub. Ooh. So this is a coffee scrub. Arabica coffee scrub. And this is on sale for $2.99. So this is a scrub right here. So we have this one as well. It's the same thing. Somebody halfway open. Some are just yeah. Okay. So that's that. They also have Dove soap here, and this one is $3.99 for just one. And yeah, so they have the oatmeal shea butter bar soap, but this is a set. The set is actually $7.99. They also have this goat milk bar soap here for $3.99. So if you're looking for stuff, they do have it here. They have the Natural Wonders lotion right here, and this is $6.99 as well. So this Burlington is moving, guys. So they are packing a lot of the stuff. They are moving to the other parking lot, like 5 stores down. So I'm not sure why, but you know, so it's basically empty. Not much people in here as well. So this is Biotin Conditioner and Strengthen. So yeah, and this is $7.99. So they really do have really this tea tree conditioner. We saw that. Castor oil conditioner replenishes. So $7.99 for that. I'm always looking for Dove we call it lotion. Big one like this, they don't have it. This is $4.99. This is a conditioner, which is a good price. This is coconut keratin smoothing conditioner, and this is actually $7.99 for that. So yeah, so they have all of this products here. So if you are looking, yes, 100% USP pure castor oil and coconut oil ear mask. So if you want a hair mask, this is $7.99. So they have that here. They have a castor oil here for $5.99. Okay, Auntie Jackie's. I always want to try this. You know, $7.99. Defying Curl Whip. So, flaxseed recipe. Yeah, recipes here. Next time, they also have the ear mascara with algal oil for $5.99. They also have, what is this one? This is a mask. The writings are so small you can't really read it. Castor here, Pro Premier hair mask here for $4.99 for the mask. So yeah, you guys, look at these shoes that wanted to go next door, you guys. So I really like this here. This is a Dkny Boots for $50. It's really cute. It has the thing on it, Dkny on the back, you know, on the back of it. This is a rain boots, but I guess you can wear it anytime when it's cold. So yeah, that one is $50. That's not bad at all. So this is $24.99, and this is size 6.5. I like it because it has the clear part. This one is, what is this one? $24.99, and this is how this one looks. Alright, so what else here I could show you? I like this. $10.99 for this. Really cute. I have something like this. $20 for those. But the one I have on, this is Nike, so no, this is Adidas that I have on. So yeah. Let me see what else is here that I could show you. This is BCBG right here, so really cute. So this is for how much again? $27. And this is how this looks. Really nice. Okay. I'm just gonna do a few shoes. Look at these boots here, you guys. These are like 30 something dollars, but they don't have my size. Yeah, they don't have my size yet. So this is $34.99, and this is suede. You guys, I love it. But look at this one, the brown one, really nice. For $40 as well. Suede, came all the way down. Look at the heels. This is what attracted me. Solid, really nice. Yep. Look at that. They also have this for $8.50. So I love this. It's here for $25. Really cute. I love the sole. Really cute. And also picking up, look at this one. This is $28, $27.99. Really cute boots. So they got quite a few here. So let's see what else attracted me here. Oh, look at this. Show baby. Show baby, 35 bucks. And this is how the show baby looking. Okay now. Somebody wants you. Say they must have. Okay, that's that one. And then this is 25 as well. This is how this one is looking. Okay. Alright. What else? What else? What else, you guys? Look at these. Some shoes are coming out. 25 bucks. Look at the heels. Loving that one. The can line. A little bit heavy for 40. Okay. Oh, look at this gold glitter kids mud for 20 bucks. Look at that. Shiny. I like this one. 35 bucks. So that is from Guess. Alright, you guys. Let me just do a few of these. 34 bucks for their shoes. Yep. And then this is 30 bucks. And this is from BB. And who's this from? This is 25. This is Adrian. That is cute. Okay, look at this up here. Look at that. Look at this one. This is 35 bucks. Look at that. Alright. Alright, you guys. So I'm gonna be out of here. You know, like I said, you guys, look, the store is empty. No one is here much. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you what I picked up from Burlington and Marshalls. I did a video at Burlington, but not at Marshalls. So I'm just gonna show you what I picked up from there. Okay, so your girl about to go out for dinner. So looking all cute. Okay, so let me show you my outfit. What I have on today. Having a dress, and I have on my, what do you call it, jacket, throw on jacket, and my half boots, you guys. So I am ready to go out and have dinner with friends and come back in the house. Okay, so that's basically, and I have my bag. Yeah, so I'm taking this bag with me. So that's my carry-on bag. Okay, so let's get back to the video. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we're gonna, all right. So the first thing I got from Burlington is this chai seeds exfoliating body wash, lavender coconut. This is how it look. Okay, and this was $6.99. Okay, and this is from Better Skin, the company, and also have Moisturizing Hemp Seed body wash as well by Ellipsis mints, if that's how you say the word. So this is how it look here. Okay. And also picked up this body wash as well from Excellent Body Wash Collection, hemp oil. Got that. So I got 2 of these, so no need to show you that. So that's that. And I also have this bag. You guys know I'm a bag fanatic. So I got this bag for $29.99. So I picked up. It does come with a coin purse and stuff. So came with a zipper. Really, really nice. Inside it has, and it also came with a strap as well. Okay. And I also picked up this 360 curl Perialis for women. I did a what's the name already on my channel for that. So I picked up one. And I picked up a C charger for my iPhone. And this was $8.99, okay? I've been wanting this clay for a long time, the Indian healing clay. So I'll be doing a tutorial on this one. So, and this was $4.50. All right. And I just purchased some items for my goddaughter. So yeah, this for Valentine's. So this was $13 for this set. It's really, really nice, really cute set. Okay. And also got this as well. I think this was, yeah, $13 as well. And this is from Marshall's, by the way. This is really, really cute. Okay. And I also got her this seamless, it's like a bra kind of thing. So yeah. So you guys, that's all I have today to show you. Your girl about to go out so we can start the vlog. So I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.